Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your own Netflix subscription. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Now, just a quick tip, if you're planning to get Netflix but for much cheaper, then all you have to do is go down first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below, where it will redirect you to Gamsgo. This website basically shares your password with others, just like a family, under one subscription. I've been using it myself for the past 3 years, it's very safe and it saves on you a ton of money. All you have to do is sign up, go here, click purchase Netflix and see multiple options, and then from here have the promo code and enter code GUMMY to get yourself 5% extra off, and you can select however many months you would like. Now, traditionally, to get your own Netflix account subscription, all you have to do is go to netflix.com website, and then from here it will ask you for a brand new email address. Once you paste it right here and enter it, it will send you a link to this email, which you're going to click for double verification. Once you do that, it will send you to this page right here where you click finish sign up and then click on next, and it will show you all the plans that are available. But as you can notice, they are more expensive than the deal that we offer you with Gamsgo. But if you would like to continue with this one, select whichever you're more comfortable with, click on next, and then choose whichever payment method you would like. And then from here, once you fill it, you will have your own Netflix subscription. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.